Hi everyone, how you doing? Welcome to my channel today. Today I'm cooking red curry. I use ribeye steak and little pumpkins. Yep, with a red curry pasta. When we boil and mix together, and the beef, rice, everything seem to be right. And then I put pepper, yellow pepper, and basil. Yes, make it boiling a little bit and done for the. This is a curry in Thai style. It's a beef curry, red curry with pumpkins. And we cook we make spaghetti. Yeah, we make a spaghetti to eat with the curry. Actually, we use rice noodle, some sticky rice noodle to eat with this kind of curry, but we don't have it. We use spaghetti instead. Here you go. Look at it. Oh, thank you for your watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.